In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line dividers in Squarespace. Line dividers are a simple way to separate sections, guide the eye, and make your pages feel cleaner and easier to read. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll add helpful context so you understand what you're seeing in the editor as you go. First, open your site in Squarespace and head to the page where you want the divider. Once you're on that page, click Edit. You'll know you're in editing mode when the page elements highlight and you see controls appear around your content areas. If you don't see the editing tools, double check that you actually clicked Edit. The Add Block option won't appear until you're in that mode. Next, look to the top left and click Add Block. This opens your block library, which is where all the content elements live. If you have a lot of options, you can type line into the search field to find it instantly. Select the line block, then click and hold to pick it up. Now, drag and drop it into the exact spot where you want the divider. As you move your cursor around the page, you'll notice drop zones that appear to guide placement. Slide until you see the placement indicator where you want it, above a paragraph, between images, or at the bottom of a section, and then release. If it doesn't land where you expected, that's normal. Just grab it again and fine-tune the position until it feels right. With the line in place, adjust its size. Click the line to reveal the handles and drag to change its width so it can span the full content area or sit as a shorter accent. Take a moment to preview how it looks relative to nearby text and images. If the line feels too heavy or too subtle, a small width adjustment usually does the trick. Keep in mind that the line will naturally adapt to different screen sizes, and a clean, modest width often reads best on both desktop and mobile. That's really all it takes. Click Edit to enter the page, Add Block from the top left, choose line, drag it where you want it, and adjust the size until it complements your layout. If something feels off, don't worry. Moving or resizing the line is quick, so you can experiment until the page flows just the way you like. And with that, you've added a polished visual divider that helps your content breathe and your design look more professional.